a good school and I knew a couple of alumni here. But the fact that when I came here for the first time for my interview and also when I researched about it on the internet, one thing that struck to my mind was the faculty, and I thought that it appealed to me that this might be because a lot of faculty was outside India, so it struck to me that maybe it might be different from the whole conventional ways of education which we Indians have been going through. So yeah, that's how I came across SCAC.
So I've been in the business of electronic components for the last 11 years now, and I decided to leave the business because it was getting a little mechanical, and I wanted to do a lot of other stuff which would utilize my skills and talent and stuff like that. And basically, I chose journalism because I wanted to express the ideas that I have, and there was a lot of fire inside which I wanted to express, and that could have come out only through journalism. And I searched the net and found out this college, and finally gave this test and cleared it and joined it. So I'm pretty much happy with my work in this college, because we've shot a lot of bulletins, we've written a lot of stories, we've researched on projects, and that we've done some real time good work, journalism work, pure journalism. There are people who talks about ethics and
I just finished my mass comm in journalism from as in my bachelor's, and I was looking for something interesting to do when I finally came across 9.9 SOC, and they just launched the journalism one and the DMC pilot batch. And I was more interested in journalism until I saw the DMC course structure and everything. I found it very interesting. Thought it's very relevant for the future in the sense that that is how things will be, and it has good job opportunities and all that stuff. So I applied, I came here. And it was back then, I was in Morissa, and so from Morissa to Delhi it's been a shift, quite a dramatic one. And so far as the journey has been quite good, it's been fun, it's been good, it's been crazy sometimes, it's been absolutely delirious and insane. So yeah, that's more or less it.
I got to know about SOC from a friend of mine. It's more of a word of mouth. And initially I was struggling through a lot of colleges, deciding which one to choose. And digital media communication, the course I enrolled for, it seems quite promising. And considering the emergence of this course, I believe that this would help me and will eventually in the future. The first day of college I was absent.
About School of Convergence through Google, and I really like the website and whatever it was saying that it would offer me, as in the course curriculum and the strategies that it follows, as in the measures for proper making the students realize how the real media world is. That was their motto that I could understand through the website. And when I joined, I didn't know that what I was in for. I mean, it was like I was in the real media world inside the college premises. So, and then the print, broadcast, online journalism, whatever I learned, it was like learning a massive, a lot of things I learned here, like how to do reporting, how to do video editing. I was acknowledged, I came to know about a lot of software like Final Cut Pro and HTML coding, etc. And it was a lot of fun working with my friends, like doing reporting, going out with the camera, shooting people, interviewing people. And in fact, now I am doing my internship with Asian News International, but the amount of things that I learned here, I don't think I'm learning in my internship also. Like, I'm looking forward to learning more and more, but then probably I can never forget the experience that I had in this school, because it's something that is kind of an ultimate.
I don't know how busy they are in their lives. I don't see it, but they don't.
Gardner always looks pretty, pretty full of time to me.
I don't want to
Why don't you go with
talk
Gardner?
No, even I want to say something.
Okay.
I've shown all our bulletins to the people over there. Most of the people who are talking, they've seen our bulletin. It's BBC style, not Indian style.
What is the response?
Saying BBC style, it's not Indian style.
They say only they find problem with the PDCs only less they like it.
What? The Oh?
इसलिए मैं कहता था मत करो PTC.
No, no screening. Oh, it's not hyperkinetic enough. Yeah.
Wanted money and Shweta
We got everything. Shweta's phone.
was standing behind and taping the whole thing on her phone before we started the court, and the cop saw hers and it's but I think you're in the right place.